I've always liked Hot Wheels, but now I just collect them if I could use them for my G.I. Joes. Found this one. It looks like it has a pretty cool feature. Here's the barcode if you need it. These are the Drone Duty from Hot Wheels Rescue and Hot Wheels Metro. These are drones that are deployable from a wheeled vehicle. It's a pretty cool feature. And there's a little pilot dude right here, and there's another one on the other side. So it's like mirrored. This top portion pops off. It has a couple of little tabs that lock into place. And this is the aerial drone part. And this is the, what would be, I guess, the Land Rover part. I really like this feature. I thought it was pretty cool that it detaches. The detail on this is really nice. I like all the little fans and vents and stuff. And the cameras, or what would be the cameras. And they just pop back on. I wanted to get rid of the pilot, so I grabbed a couple of Dremel bits. I'm going to see if I could Dremel this pilot guy out of here. I don't really need a miniature pilot, so I'm going to carve him out. Took kind of a sturdy hand, but I managed to carve the little pilot out on both sides. Looks a little rough, but I'll sand it a bit and polish it. I think now it looks like little landing skids. That's pretty cool. This is g.i.joe. I thought it had a cool feature. Check it out. If you pull one of the wings, they both pop open. I thought that was pretty neat. It's a really nice shape to it. I thought it'd be a pretty cool little drone. I've shown these before. These are my submarines, or what could be underwater ROVs. If you remember the movie Abyss, they had some drones they called Big Geek and Little Geek. So these Matchbox submarines make cool little underwater drones. This one I've had for a long time. I really think it's cool. Somehow the front glass had popped off and I lost it, so I'm going to have to eventually replace it. This one's from the Jurassic World collection. It's got some tools in the front. I always thought it'd be a cool little drone. I thought these were pretty cool. This is Hot Wheels with Lego connectors to it. I thought that was a really neat addition. I already turned one into like a high-speed land drone. I think I'll add a few more pieces at the bottom of it in case you need to take a look at that. This one was pretty cool because of its low profile. I thought it'd make a nice little drone. Here's the bottom of it. That helps you any. This one is a 4x4 looking thing. I really like how they have the Lego connectors connecting pieces on it. Here's another one that would probably be another high-speed drone, or high-speed land drone. This one actually had a large block engine. Anyways, I thought the Rons would make cool drone pilots or RC car enthusiasts. Maybe that's their hobby. Their role in the team as drone pilots or advanced recon specialists or something like that. What do you think of Legos? Do you like them? Do you collect them for your G.I. Joes? What do you think of Hot Wheels? Do you like them? Do you collect them? Do you think they would be useful for your G.I. Joes? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It really helps my channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.